Hey guys, good morning. So the last few days I've been doing a little morning hike, and today this is one of my favorite spots, just overlooking the mountains. This is really a beautiful area. And on top right now, that's like Jason's up there on the other side. So this is like a shortcut if you want to go this way to like Bluto area, Jason's area. This is right on top here. Nice way to start the day. It is Enid though. But check this out. I'm not as good as like Richie or her brothers, but I've been finding some guava. This is a little softer one. I already ate a couple, but healthy little snack while you're walking around, enjoying the beautiful scenery. There's a perfect spot for a duyan or a tent. Nice tree. Some friendly animals around. Got a carabao in the background. Goats and cows. Pretty sweet spot. The wind is perfect. It's a nice shaded area in here. It's a warm day, but we do have a little bit of shade walking through here. And look who's with me, Tatoi. Usually Tatoi and Shadow comes. Shadow must be roaming around town right now. So Tatoi's coming along with me. If I get lost, they usually lead the way in how to get back. Come on. All right, so you never know who's gonna come join you. This time, Casper. This is actually her first time walking with us. Usually it's Shadow and Tatoi. Happy dogs out here. Lots of open space to roam around. I actually walked this yesterday, and it's probably one of my favorite places to walk around here. It's actually right behind Richie's house. You'll see in a second, it really opens up out here. Look at that. That's so cool. What do you think, guys? I'm not sure if they come out here on their own. I think they only come out here when I take a walk out here. I'm not sure if they like it this far away. This is pretty cool. I love it out here. I kind of wish there was more walks like that, what we just came out of, a little bit more shade. Out here it's really open, and you can only walk for so long because it does get really warm. But the views are pretty cool. Casper, buddy, I think Casper is gonna go back. It's just right along this trail, is right back up there. I don't think she likes coming out here. But Tatoi, he's a trooper. But they know this way around. They know how to get back really easily. Look at that. I love it out here. All right, so we're starting to walk down. And in the past, one time Omen walked by we're like, hey, where are you going? And he said he's going fishing, and this is the creek. We ended up going with him, and this is like the little creek that he went fishing in. You can see there's not a lot of water. I don't see any fish right now. So this little creek is probably more interesting when there's more water. It's a little shallow right now. This could be like a little waterfall. It's got like a 7-foot drop down there. I can't think of a more relaxing place. The cows are just chilling, hanging out. Not a bad place.
What are you guys selling? Saan yung baligya?
Chicharon.
Chicharon with suka. Kisa man ang suka? You ha? Selling? Oh, they're selling it and you are buying it for them.
This is your own little business, right?
Yeah, this is their business.
That's very cool. How did you come up with this idea?
Kisa may nagsugo niya ng baligya?
Mama nang.
Their mom's idea.
Mom's idea.
Yeah.
So I'll just buy everything you have, okay? So that's 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 25, 65. Okay.
Give me one bear. Yay.
Here's a whole lot of things. I think she's the one that is holding the merchandise. I'll give it to her.
Kisay na baligya jud ana. So give to them.
Alright, you too? Okay, here you go.
All right, you can go home. It's Christmas here now. Santa is standing near the Christmas tree. Time flies really fast, right?
Yeah.
We just what's that? We keep the Christmas tree.
Yeah, why even take it down?
Yeah. And then
As soon as you take
without
it down, you gotta
notice.
put it back up.
Yeah. All right, let's go down. Hi guys, we are here again in this
Awesome place.
Awesome place.
This is our favorite spot. Every time we go by, last time they didn't have the coconuts here, so this time Richie's like, oh, they have coconuts, so we made sure it stopped here.
Yeah, and just sit and drink.
It's nice to be able to sit down.
Yeah, and also we want to try this one, the chicharon from the kid. So we'll be thirsty and drink a lot of coconut milk or juice. So you want to try it?
Yeah.
I tried it. It's good, crunchy.
Ah. It's nice to have some snacks here. Makes you thirsty, then you drink.
Under the tree.
Very refreshing.
By the road.
Good ambience here.
Alright, sit back and relax. So we're gonna finish this. So So we came here in Toledo to find Dug.
Keep that in.
Dug.
Doogie Howser.
So we came here in Toledo to find dog gate.
Yeah.
But we couldn't find. We went to Metro, to Grand Mall, to veterinarian place, like that. So it's hard to find dog gate.
I think the best bet is probably going to be online, Lazada, or the other one, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But just something to keep the dogs out. Because we are, you know, we're trying our best to keep all the dogs out, but there's
Yeah.
so many. It's nice to have the door open, to have fresh air.
Yeah.
But every time we have the doors open, the dogs just
Yeah.
kind of run in and out.
Yeah. So, we want it open, so, but the dogs, so we cannot find it. So we'll try online. But anyway, so we'll just enjoy and just come back next time and figure out.
So it was just a long trip to come here. We just made an excuse to come get the coconut.
Yeah. Alright.
Trying to
How
get
to eat? You eat like a dog now.